So, hey there, and welcome back to another video. So, in today's video, I will show you exactly how to use Canva's Content Planner, a powerful tool that lets you plan, schedule, and post your content directly from Canva to your social media accounts. Whether you are a content creator, freelancer, or a small business owner, or if you need this for any other project. This tool is a game changer, but it is only available on Canva Pro, which it starts at $99.50 per year. So let's get started. So I will just explain you with all the steps, and you should follow them. As right now I don't have the Canva premium version. Okay, so first of all, you have to open Canva as I just did. Normally, you have to log into your Canva Pro account. Just go to your Canva Pro account. You can change the account from here. At the bottom left corner, you can see this option. You can log out and then log in using your Canva Pro account. Also, you can tap on to add another account. So you can whether use your PC to do this, and also if you are on Android or iPhone, you can just simply download their official app using App Store or Google Play Store easily. So just you have to install them and complete all the login phrases. Now you have to tap onto apps on the left hand menu. Here you can see this option apps. Simply go to apps and tap onto it. So on the left hand menu you can have to tap onto apps. Now you scroll down and click on content planner. Search for the content planner option. Here you can see this one is the premium version. As you can see the little crown icon here, where whenever you see this little crown icon in Canva, that means this is the premium one. You need to have a premium account in order to use those plans. Okay, you have to tap on the content planner. Tap on the got it. So now the step 2 is you have to connect your social media account. So before posting, you need to link your social media in the planner. You have to tap on to click. You can tap on to add new, and from there you can add post or even new post or event zero. Also, you can start a new post if you wish to. You can tap on to plus, and from there you can tap on to connect Instagram business via Facebook. Like, let me show you. Just choose the date or event you want to connect it with. For example, I will connect it with this one, 8th May or April. Then you have to add a title here. Then you have to add a description right here. Like for me, I will tap on to check the wait, check the description, and then you have to tap save. So after clicking on to save, you have to tap onto this plus icon. You can select a channel like Instagram business page, Facebook page. You can also use Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn profile or LinkedIn page. You can use Tumblr for merging the your accounts, social media accounts. Now after selecting a channel, you have to tap on to write a caption here. It can be anything. So for me, let me choose Instagram business or Facebook page. You can choose any other. Now you have to tap on to connect Instagram business via Facebook. So after clicking on it, you have to enter your Instagram or Facebook or any other social media Gmail ID and the password of that account, and then simply you can tap onto the connect Instagram business via Facebook page like this option, and follow the prompts to authorize each account. So once it is connected, you will be able to publish directly from Canva without switching tabs easily. So also Canva lets you schedule two type of content here. As you can see, I just told you a little bit earlier. This one you can add new post or events according to your post is for your actual social media content, and events is like for special dates like holidays, launches, or campaigns, or any other program. And to add an event, you can tap on to click add event, and then you can select the date from here, and then you can choose its title. You can, let me show you again. You can choose its title, and simply you can add a description. For me, just let me add something randomly and then show you quickly. Now you have to tap on to save fully easily. This is very simple steps. So watch the video very carefully and don't make any mistakes so that you can complete the steps or methods, you can say, come free and fastly. If you need to watch the video again, then rewatch the video, okay? So that's it. And to schedule a post, you can again go to add new, then tap on to post, and you have to choose any project, for example this, let it load, and then you can add it. Let me show you post, and then you have to select a channel like with which account you wish to like to add your account. For example, I'm gonna go with Twitter. So let's go with Twitter. Now you have to tap onto this option called Connect X Twitter. Now you have to enter your Gmail account and password to log into your Twitter. Tap on to sign in, and then you have to enter your Gmail account or password. So that's it. For example, I'm gonna continue with my Google account. Let me add a random birth date of me. Let's choose 2003. Then tap on to sign up. Then okay, as I told you, it needs a premium account, so this is how you can do it easily. So that's it. Now you have to, like, once your design is ready, you have to click schedule at the top right corner, and that will be added. Now your post will appear on your content calendar. Let me share you some bonus tips for using Canva's content planner. You can buy bulk plan your content ahead of time. Like, you can bulk plan for create a week or month before you want to publish this content or that content. Use events to stay aligned with holidays, launches, or brand contents. Use exclusive pro templates to make designing faster and easier. If a platform fails to connect like Pinterest, Tumblr, try again later or check your internet connection. And that's a wrap up. Now you know how to use Canva's content planner to schedule and manage your social media with ease. If you found this video helpful, like the video, subscribe to the channel, comment your favorite tip or ask a question. Share this with other creators and small business owners. Thanks for watching, and I will catch you in the next video. Till then, take care. Goodbye.